Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to solve this question.
Okay, sir.
Please read the question first, and then if you have any doubt, please ask, and then start solving question.
Yes. Should I solve the question by myself, sir?
Yes, you have to solve the question by yourself.
Okay.
Is there any problem with it?
Till now, no, sir.
Yes.
Till now, no, sir.
You start solving question.
Yes, sir.
So there is no problem until now.
I'm only in question 3, sir. I mean 4, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I finished, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I finished, sir.
Okay. So first of all, Gopal commenced business in introducing cash 2 lakh.
It is in the debit side.
Debit side with
Yes, sir, debit side, sir.
what have you written on the debit side?
To capital
Yes.
2,000 lakhs.
So you have to say debit side to this account by this account. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, purchase following assets for business: computer 16,000, furniture 18,500, machinery 32,000. Payment made by check.
It won't be recorded, sir,
Why?
because it is check. It is it is a cash book, so we won't record anything unrelated to cash book.
Very good. Next, purchase goods from Bhushan in cash.
In the credit column, to Bhushan 40,000.
In the credit side, by Bhushan account 40,000.
40,000.
Yes. Paid wages for installation of machinery.
It won't be recorded
Why?
because they do not say if it is in cash and it is missionaries.
So it is not given. It is paid in cash or not, but it is given that we have paid wages. So how could we pay wages?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Paid wages, either you will pay in cash or by check. Yes. And if it is not written, then we assume that it is in cash.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what will you write?
I will write by missionaries 40,000 on the credit column, sir.
Not wages.
On the credit column, sir.
Not write wages.
By should I write the whole sentence?
Actually, you are saying that you will write by machinery account. I am saying that you will not write by wages account.
No.
Can you tell me why?
Because we paid for to install missionaries, sir.
Yes, we have paid the wages for installation of machinery. So the machine is put to use after installation. So until the installation of machinery, until the machine is ready for use, all expenses are included in machinery account. So there will be no wages account. It will be by machinery account.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next is computer repair charges.
I do not write that too, sir, because they do not say if it is cash.
Okay. So in which form it is given? Computer repair charges.
Computer repair charges.
Yes.
Which form?
In which form? In cash or check or whatever.
Yes, sir. They did not write anything, sir.
So what you will assume?
I will assume it is a cash transaction, sir.
Yes. So if it is a cash transaction, then it should be recorded in cash book.
Yes, sir. It should be.
Okay. How much is your balance?
My balance?
Yes.
1,005. 1,05,000. 1,55,350.
So you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
How? You have not written two things.
Because it is written in the question itself.
Where?
Down, cash balance.
No, I know that it is written below the question. Answer is given. So, but your solution is not correct properly. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how you got the answer without solving the question correctly?
Because I just wrote the final balance.
Okay, you wrote the final balance without calculating it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, it is not a correct way to solve the question. You don't have to write the answer directly. Okay. You have to calculate the balance.
Okay, sir.
Please calculate balance.
Okay, sir. Give me a minute. Should I calculate my balance or should I correct my mistakes and calculate my balance?
Uh, no. You just calculate your balance. After that, we will discuss the question and then correct the errors.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got the answers.
Okay, how much?
1,75,450.
Okay, 1,75,400. You have corrected these two mistakes or not?
I did not correct those two mistakes.
Okay, so you have to remember that in, yes, April 8 entry will be recorded on credit side. April 12 entry will be recorded on credit side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The next is paid wages, purchased postage stamps, paid for stationery. These three are expenses. So this should also be recorded in our cash book on the credit side.
Yes, sir.
Sold for cash, half the goods purchased from Bhushan. Sold for cash, half the goods purchased from Bhushan to Anil Krishna at a profit of 25% and allowed him trade discount of 5%.
Yes, sir.
So how much it is?
The final answer.
No, April 19th transaction that you have recorded.
It is 47,500.
47,500. Okay. How you got 47,500?
Because wait, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
40,000
Minus. So 1 minute. Sir, I got 47,500.
47,500.
Yes, sir.
How?
Because for 40,000, 25% is added means 50,000. So I minus the trade discount.
25% is 10,000, you are saying.
Yes, sir. 50%.
So 50,000. And then you have deducted the trade discount, 5%.
Yes, sir.
So 2,500, 47,500.
Yes, sir.
It is not correct. Okay,
Yes, sir.
read the line first.
Sold for cash after goods purchased.
Sold for cash, half the goods purchased from Bhushan.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So we have to take only half of the goods purchased from Bhushan, that is 20,000. Yes.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if we add 25% profit, it will be 5,000. Total will be 25,000, and then we will deduct 5%, that is 1,250, and you will get 23,750.
23,000.
750.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, the next is payment to carpenter for repairs to personal furniture, 350 on the credit side.
Yes, sir.
And what we will write?
By medical expenses.
By?
No, sir. By car. I wrote by furniture 350.
By furniture 350.
Yes, sir.
But it is personal furniture.
Yes, sir.
So we have to write drawing by drawing 350.
Okay, sir.
Because all the personal expenses or domestic expenses are drawing for the business.
Yes, sir.
Again, the next is paid for medical expenses of Srimati Gopal.
Yes, sir. On the credit side, I wrote medical expenses 1,000.
Again, it is drawing. So you will write by drawing 1,800.
Okay, but it did not say personal, sir.
Srimati Gopal is not a business person. Yes.
It is a hospital.
It is his wife.
Oh, okay, sir.
And it is a personal expense.
Sir, they wrote SMT.
Sometimes, while solving question, sometimes we have to consider the information that is implied, that is not shown directly in question. We have to see through it. Okay, we have to see that what it means, what they want to tell us. Okay, so you have to go in deep to understand the question, because if you solve question like this, then you will leave some of the part of the question and you will not get the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay, the last one, paid for shop rent, 2,500.
On the credit side, rent account, by rent account, 2,500.
Good. Now, please try to get the answer by adjusting all the items I told you. You have to change April 8th transaction, April 12th transaction, April 19th, and then April 24 and April 26.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got the answer, sir.
So you got 1,55,350.
No, sir.
How much?
I got oh yes, sir. 1,57,350, sir. I mean 1,57,350, sir.
1,57,350. So
Let me recheck, sir.
okay, let me say the amount. First, 2 lakh on the debit side.
Yes, sir.
Then 40,000 on the credit side,
Yes, sir.
4,000 on the credit side,
Yes, sir.
1,900 on the credit side,
Yes, sir.
15,150 and 2,700. All these three on the credit side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then 23,750 on the debit side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 350 on the credit side.
Yes, sir.
1,800 on the credit side and 2,500 on the credit side.
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, let me calculate it. It is correct. 1,55,350 you should get. I think there is a mistake in calculation. So you try to correct the mistake. We'll discuss the next concept, that is double column cache. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is double column cache? In double column cache, what we do here is to prepare the cache book. Like this, everything is same. But now there is two column for amount and so this is our format.
Okay.
First of all, date, particular, LF, cash, bank, date, particular, and cash and bank. So there is two column, one for cash and one for bank. Okay, so there is only one difference between single column cash book and double column cash book, which is
There is a bank.
Yes, there is an additional amount column for bank. Now, if there is a transaction related to bank, like payment by check or received by check, so we will record these transactions in our cash book now. Okay. In some of the previous portion, we didn't recorded any bank related transaction, any check related transaction, because we were preparing only cash book. Okay. But in double column cash book, we are preparing cash book and bank book also. Okay. So that's why we will record all the cash or bank related transaction in double column cash book. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sometime there is a transaction where cash account debit to bank account and bank account debit to cash account. Can you tell me these entry are related with which transaction, is for which transaction?
Double.
Yes.
1 minute. One. Double column cash flow.
No, I am saying that what will be the transaction for which we have passed this journal entry?
Oh, will it be on the credit side or on the debit side, sir?
No. I'm asking the transaction that is generally given in portion. The transaction for which this entry will be passed.
Oh, okay, sir. Cash. I don't know, sir.
Okay, when we withdraw cash from bank, then we pass this transaction. And when we deposit cash into bank, then we pass second transaction, second entry. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so the first transaction is withdraw cash from bank. So cash account debit to bank account, and deposit cash into bank account debit to cash account. Now, in these two transactions, there is no other account included in entry. Okay, only two accounts is written on the debit side and credit side. It is cash and bank, and both of these will be recorded in double column cash. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So how we will record this transaction? Because there is two accounts in this entry which will go to double column cash book, which we have to post in double column cash.
Yes, sir.
So which in which side we have to write this?
The first one on the debit side.
The first one will be on the debit side, and the second one
on the credit side, sir.
Okay. And if I told you that this is the transaction which will be recorded on both sides, then?
Oh, okay, sir. We will write cash account on the debit side and the bank account on the credit side. Not
No,
like that?
incorrect.
Okay, sir. Correct?
Not correct.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so do you have any idea how to write this in cash book?
We will write both in both sides.
We will write both in both sides. Okay. Actually, this is called contra entry. This is called contra entry. Means entry in which cash and bank account is written in both sides. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is contra entry where cash account is on one side and bank account is given on the other side. So that's why it is called contra entry. Now, if it is contra entry, then how we will record this? First of all, let me write the entry again here so you can see the cash account debit to bank. Now, first of all, tell me which side is on the debit and which account is on the credit side.
Cash account is on the debit and bank account is on the credit.
Yes. Okay. So bank account is on the credit side, then we will write the amount in bank column on the credit side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if cash account is on the debit side, then we will write the amount in cash column on the debit side.
Okay,
Like
sir.
if it is given 1,000, then we will write 1,000 in cash column, debit side cash column, and 1,000 this bank account, it will be written in bank column credit side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if it is written in bank column, then here we will write by cash account. And it is written in cash column, so we will write here to bank.